this endpoint find widgets for topic. Let's test it out, right? By hitting that URL over here. The URL endpoint we said would be topics, and then the ID 111 slash widgets. Notice that it returns the widgets for topic 111, and for 222 returns the other one, XYZ. See that? We can still retrieve all the widgets if we want. There they are, all of them, right? But we want to be able to filter it. Let's see how we can use this from the client's point of view. Right now, the client is just using the find all widgets, right? So let's take a look at implementing from the client's point of view, retrieving the widgets for a particular topic. So let's do that. So what we're going to do here, instead of using find all widgets, we would like to be able to do something like, this.props.find widgets for topic, right? And provide as an argument this.props the topic ID, which is going to be fed to us from the outside, topic ID. Yes, right? For now, the way we can implement that is here's a widget list component. We don't really need this list of widgets anymore. This is being fed to us through the reducer. Yes. Instead, we're going to pass in the topic ID because we're expecting the ID. And right now, we're going to say pass in a 111. Yes. Eventually, this is going to be read from the URL. Right. We'll do that in a minute. But for now, let's pass in the ID through the property. Here's a topic ID. And let's implement this in here. And it will be something like, we'll pass in the topic ID. It'll be the same URL. It'll be almost the same fetch. Oops, copy. It'll be almost the same fetch. But instead of using the entire URL, we're going to have to append. We're going to have to rewrite this URL, right? So let's change this a little bit. This will be instead topics slash, and in here will be the topic ID, right? That's what the URL says, right? This URL over here of topics 111 widgets, right? That's the pattern. So topics, we're going to put in here the topic ID slash widgets. Yes, and that's going to come back with the widgets for a particular topic, right? So we'll be using a different event handler in the reducer. Will be something like find widgets for topic. Okay, and when we call this, the reducer will basically do the same thing. Right? It'll have a case and return the widgets that come back from the action. Yes? All right, so let's try it out. Okay, notice that it's returning just ABC. Right? If we go back to the client and from the editor we change this to 222. Notice that now it's XYZ instead of ABC. Right? So we can show depending on what topic. But now we're currently just passing it as a property. Ideally, it would read it from the route. So let's take a look at how we would do that.